check out the goodness in this thing. We got all sorts of cucumbers, peaches, cabbage, red pepper, orange pepper, some shrimp. I'm just eating it cold right here, and zucchini. And then it's got a sweet coconut amino sesame oil sauce on top with sesame seeds in it. And it is beautiful to look at. It's tasty. Let me see if I can get a good chunk in here. We were gonna do mangoes, but we did peaches. And man, it's just goodness right there. Thursday, so, give it a shot. Oh my God, so tasty. All right guys, awesome, take care, bye-bye.